the main island, you are out.
Parkour and monkey see monkey do.
I'm already out.
Step one, just get onto the zip line at start whenever you get in. Just bounce on it and just try to catch.
So bad.
Okay? Whenever you think you're good enough at that, like me, as you see. I have no problem. Oh wait.
Just so you guys know, for disclaimer,
I say you practice over here. You get up here,
with samurai mask.
and then
Red monkey samurai.
all you do is climb
If you're
up.
joining now, you my team, and that means no
Well, yeah.
chance of
You
winning.
climb up to the top.
If you joined 5 minutes ago, then you had a chance of winning.
I actually like parkour, so
You can only hide on the main
just-
island. I'm a red samurai.
I'm on
the
it's harder going down than up.
Red with the
Up, you can just swing.
Red with the karate mask.
Right, so then you want to just go
Red
down
with the karate mask. Stop
all the way.
Stop moving.
Because you're actually making
Red with the karate mask. Stop moving.
a little bit of jumps.
No, bro.
And just try to practice
I'm
one
already in.
jump.
It's me,
Two.
bro.
Make try to calculate momentum like
Main island. You
this
are now out.
or like
You are out.
that.
Yo, what's good, guys?
That way you can just go straight away to actually parkour. So I actually really love the bounce here. I calculate the momentum. If I go here, here.
Okay, everybody.
You could just go on
All
the
of
side.
you out. Please start searching for other monkeys. That is
Literally God.
the challenge. The main monkey. If you get this monkey, I will let you hide again. This monkey has a VR mask with an X on it and a pirate hat. If you get this monkey,
And that's all
hide again.
you do. But now this is whenever you get the real fun.
Hey, Red. You got so bad.
There's a nearby.
No, get away from me.
You think you might be able to
Hey, you won't hit me.
jump? What?
Okay, if you-
from the vine.
If you are on my side, please meet me at the customization section. Please meet me at the customization section if you are on my side.
Ooh, yay, monkey, doo-doo, VR, hide and seek.
Guys, we are pausing the game. Everybody, customization
Can I play?
the game.
Can I play?
Even if you're on pause, do we go to the customer section? The people I got you. Gotcha. I said on pause. You won't get me, Red. On pause. Red. No, you're not getting me, Red. I'm white. Oh, crap. Not getting me, Red. Okay. All bounty hunters, which means people who are on my side, please come down here. Or if you are somebody who's not on my side and you'd like a bounty to get an extra 20 seconds to hide.
Yeah, just buy a fireball.
The bounty is you. The bounty is you. I'm not a bounty. Just come to me if you want to get a bounty. I will let you buy.
I'm a hunter. I'm a bounty hunter.
For another 20
Well, I
seconds.
don't have
Red with a samurai
I'm a
mask.
bounty hunter. I'm a bounty hunter.
Wait for everybody else. I repeat, if you want a bounty, please come to the customization center. I'm rolling the card.
Alright,
I'll
guys.
let you hide for
This one I'm gonna look like.
chance of
Except
winning
for now.
it. So, also, bounty hunters, I will take any questions you have in the stream this time, so please. So, does anybody have any questions?
Let me get my
Actually.
Naruto. Let me get my hat on.
If you
Let me get a
Yes,
good hat on.
everybody,
Hey, guys,
everybody,
are you gonna
you're on my side.
Hey, guys,
you
are you gonna tag me? Are you gonna tie me?
just for a little thing.
One sec, we're
please.
still
Hey,
discussing.
That's all.
are you guys?
I'm not even done.
Hey, are you guys on the
That's
car?
all.
Cause you want
Okay,
so I can get that.
Hey, I don't want that.
Bounty to different people. Mickey Mouse and bounty to different people. Okay. Please want. So I'm on the bridge now. Please